Hi, welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today my recipe is traditional rich and creamy dessert Basundi. To boil the milk, use a heavy bottomed and wide mouthed pan to prevent the milk from burning and sticking to the vessel. Bring the milk to boil. As it starts boiling, reduce the heat to medium. When the milk cooks, you will find a layer of cream forming on the top of the milk. Collect the cream in a bowl. Once you collect the cream, stir the milk again. After a few minutes, a layer of cream forms on the top of the milk. Keep collecting the cream until the milk reduces to half of its quantity. Soak pistachios in hot water for 10 minutes. Soak saffron in 2 tablespoons of hot milk. Now you can see the milk has reduced to half. Add half cup of sugar and mix it well. Add cardamom powder and saffron milk. Mix it well. Remove the skin of the pistachios and chop it finely. Allow the milk to cool completely and then add the cream to the milk. Gently mix the milk. Now garnish with finely chopped pistachios. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours and serve chilled. Yummy Basundi is ready. Please like, share and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.